Hello and welcome back to this course, and today in this video we will discuss about the checkboxes in JavaFX. So without wasting our time, let's see how we can use the checkboxes in JavaFX program. Okay, so first of all I go to my scene builder, and in here first of all I am going to select here checkbox, add some checkboxes here like this, add more here. This. Okay, now I will change the text of each checkbox, and I type here Java, Python, C++, PHP, Ruby. At the last I type here C#. Okay, now these are the some checkboxes in which I type the name of the programming languages. Now I'm going to select here the list view, and I add a list view here like this, and I also add a button here, show selected items in list. Okay, add a button here. Now I add here the IDs. I type here btn, and here I type the list. Here I type the C1 for the checkbox 1, C2 for checkbox 2, and again C3 for rest of the checkboxes, C4, C5, and C6. Okay, so now I save it and go back to my NetBeans, and here and first of all I'm going to type here add fxml, and I type here public checkbox C1, and I import the checkbox in my program. I copy it and paste it here and change the C2, C3, C4, C5 like this, and C6. Okay, I have a button here, public button btn, and I have a list view, public list view and list. Okay, and I import the list view in my program. Okay, and simply I create a method here. So I type here public word checkbox selection. Okay, and here I type action event, and now in the body of this method, first of all I'm going to type here. Now I want to print the items that are selected on the in the list view. So what I do here, I simply type here if C1, which is check one, dot is selected, then simply what to do, simply list view dot list dot get items dot add, and I type here C1 dot get text. Okay, like this, and I copy this 5 times, paste it 5 times. I change here C2, C2, C3, C3, C4, C4, C5, and C5, and one more time I paste it here for C6. Okay, and after that I simply save it and go to my scene builder, select this button, and on the action event, on action I simply select this method, which is a checkbox selection. I save it, go back, save it, and now if I run my code, you will see these checkboxes and this list is now empty. You can see here the list is now empty. So I simply select my favorite programming languages from here. So I select Java, Python, C++, PHP. Okay. And now if I click on the show selected items in the list, you will see the items which I have selected are now added to this list. If I uncheck this and simply I add C sharp and click on the show selected items, you will see C sharp is also added to this list. So in this way I can use the checkboxes in my JavaFX. You can see here it is just simple. Whenever we want to give some multiple choices to the user, and then we simply add the checkboxes in our program. I hope that you understand. So anyhow, if you feel any problem while understanding the checkboxes, you can definitely ask me a question. I will help you. So that's it for this video. I will see you in next video.